ChatGPT offers a variety of ways to earn money online. Utilize its capabilities to tap into various revenue streams. This tool has become extremely popular, and many people are excited about it. With unlimited opportunities available, making money has never been easier. OpenAI CEO Sam Altman has announced that the AI-powered chatbot has already attracted over 1 million users in less than a week. Therefore, if you haven't started using this unique technology, you're missing out on a great opportunity to make money online. This AI tool offers several ways to help you earn money easily, so why not take advantage of it today? I'm here to help you make money online with ChatGPT, and I'll be sharing the top 5 ways to do so. The best part is that these methods require no prior experience. All you need to do is copy and paste to earn $25, $50, or even $100 per day with minimal effort. Therefore, make sure you don't skip any part of the video and watch it until the end to learn everything you need to know. Okay, let's get started with method number 1, writing blogs or articles. This method involves 2 simple steps for starting your freelance career. The first step is to create a gig on your preferred freelance platform. The second step is to apply for projects on the platform of your choice. For example, if you select Upwork as your preferred platform, the first thing you need to do is create a freelance account on Upwork and then create your gig. Once Upwork approves your gig, you can start applying for jobs on the platform. To search for available work on Upwork, click on the Find Work option on the top left corner of the platform's homepage. Type in your preferred job title, such as blog or article writing, in the search bar. The search result will display the available jobs for freelancers. You will notice that there are over 5,000 jobs available for freelancers on Upwork alone. The platform is packed with tons of job opportunities in all sorts of fields, like writing, design, and development. No matter what your skills are, you'll likely find something on Upwork that you can tackle. So if you're looking for a platform to monetize your skills and make some extra cash, Upwork is definitely worth checking out. When you find a job that aligns with your skills and interests, simply apply for the job and wait for a response. This process is simple, easy to follow, and does not require any complex skills or knowledge. With some patience and persistence, you can successfully build a freelance career using this method. If you have any questions about any of these methods, don't hesitate to ask. Just drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help. Alright, on to our second money-making method, selling sales letters. You won't believe how much some sellers are making every day just by writing sales letters. For example, if you try to do what this seller is doing, it could work. We can even copy the title of their gig and bring it over to ChatGPT to rewrite it. Then you could use that title on your own gig. You could try on Fiverr, but you could also check out other freelance platforms. For example, you could create a gig on peopleperhour.com that sells articles guaranteed to rank on Google. When you get an order to write an article that guarantees ranking on Google, just head over to ChatGPT and choose this feature. With this feature, you can create high-quality articles in mere seconds that are guaranteed to rank on Google. Simply enter the title of your article and let ChatGPT do the rest. Just keep in mind that this feature is only available on the paid version, so I am not sure if it is included in the free version. You also could make this gig on a freelance platform, but as you know, the possibilities are endless. Alright, let's move on to method number 3, providing translation services. You won't believe how much money some sellers are making just by translating Spanish text into English or vice versa. If you want to quickly translate a text and make sure it's accurate, just copy it and bring it over to ChatGPT. Ask the chatbot to translate it into your desired language. And just like that, you've got a high-quality translated text ready in mere seconds. Alright, let's move on to method number 4. With this method, we can earn money by offering product description writing services. Here's how it works. Let's say you want to write a description for a product on Amazon. All you gotta do is copy the product link and head back to ChatGPT. Then type product in the search bar and paste the product name. Next, set the action to write 5 Amazon-optimized bullet points that explain the features and benefits of the product. Finally, pick a writing style, like persuasive or what you prefer. And just like that, you've got a fully optimized product description without lifting a finger. Crazy, right? Let me know what you think in the comments. Alright, let's get into the last and final way to make some money with ChatGPT, which will be writing video scripts. And let me tell you, this is a popular gig on Fiverr. Just take a look at all these successful sellers offering this service. Check out this one top-rated seller with over 1,800 reviews, which means there is high demand for this service. And when you get an order, simply head over to ChatGPT. Set the action to write a video script and start chatting with the chatbot. Let ChatGPT do the heavy lifting, and when it's done, copy and paste that script, deliver it to your client, and get paid. These are simple ways to start making money using ChatGPT. You can also be more creative and offer more complex services on freelance platforms or your own website. If you want me to share more ways how you can make money with ChatGPT, let me know in the comments below. And if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you're new, as this helps me to produce more videos and provide more valuable information. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.